Hello everyone! Having a Facebook profile gives you countless possibilities, so today we will show you how to create one. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's get started right away. The first thing to do is type in www.facebook.com in your address bar. After a few moments, you'll be greeted with a Facebook front page. Then click on the green Create New Account button. In order to sign up, you will have to write down your first and last name, mobile number, or email. Just make sure that you type it again in the box underneath. Your password, make sure that it contains at least one uppercase letter or number just to make it secure. Day and year of birth so that Facebook can cater to you adequately. However, do keep in mind that you have to be at least 13 years old. And lastly, your gender, though it's up to you if you want to share some information or not. When you're finished, click on the Sign Up button. Next, go to your email address. You should see the Facebook email containing a code that will let you confirm that the email does belong to you, as well as Confirm Your Account button. To quickly access your account, click the Confirm Your Account button. After a few moments, you'll be sent to your front page welcoming you to Facebook. Okay, your profile is set. However, we do need to work on the appearance. That means it's time to upload some sweet pictures. Let's start with a profile picture so everyone can easily find you. Go to Add Picture, and then press Upload Photo. And find that perfect picture on your computer, or you can even take it with a webcam. Before you hit the Save button, you can additionally toy around with your photo. Using the slider under the picture, you can play with its size depending on how many things you want to be shown in a photo, and you can also crop it or reposition it, holding your left mouse button and moving it to the side. You can also add a short and sweet description for your profile picture. When you're done, click Save. Now it's time to find people you know. In the box, adequately named Find People You Know, type in the name of your friend you want to search for, and once you find them, click on the icon Add Friend. And so on, and so on. Click on your name and avatar at the top of the page. We're going to add a nice cover photo so we can customize your page image. Click on Add Cover Photo and upload it from your computer. The nice thing about covers is that once you're done uploading them, you can reposition them, change them, and edit them as many times as you want. Now we're going to add some additional information. So with that said, click on Edit Profile and fill up details. First, let's add something in bio that will closely describe you to others. When you're finished, click Save. Now let's customize our intro or basic information regarding us. Clicking on the Add button, you can add your workplace, education, current city, hometown, and relationship status. Click on Add a Workplace, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can update your company name, position, city or town, as well as type in short description. Choose the adequate year, and at the end, who would you like to see this information? You can either make it public for everyone who visits, friends only, friends except in case you don't want a particular person to see the information, specific friends for some friends, just yourself, or custom, where you can choose who will get to see information and who won't. By clicking on college, type in your school and choose information such as time period in between, description, concentrations, what did you attend for, college or graduate school, and your degree. You can also choose whether you want this information to be public or not, and don't forget to always save it. As for hobbies, add whichever suits you best. At the very end, choose your featured photos, that is, the ones that will show up on your front page and adequately describe you. You can choose between suggested ones, or even upload some new ones off of your PC. Once you personalize your profile, you can start using Facebook. Well, that's all from me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.